Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a package on Vagaro. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to answer the question that you're probably asking yourself right now. Why should I care about creating a package on Vagaro? Well, there are a few reasons. First, packages are a great way to increase your revenue. By offering packages, you can give your clients more value for their money and encourage them to book multiple services at once. Second, packages can help you to streamline your booking process. Instead of having to manually add each service to a client's appointment, you can simply select the package that they want. Finally, packages can help you to differentiate yourself from your competitors. By offering unique and valuable packages, you can attract more clients and build a stronger brand. So, now that you know the benefits of creating a package on Vagaro, let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Vagaro account. If you don't have a Vagaro account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, click on the Packages tab. Step 2. Click on the Create New Package button. Step 3. Give your package a name. Step 4. Choose the services that you want to include in your package. You can add as many services as you want to your package. Step 5. Set the price of your package. The price of your package should be based on the total cost of the services that you've included. Step 6. Choose the duration of your package. The duration of your package can be any length of time that you want. Step 7. Choose the number of sessions that are included in your package. The number of sessions in your package can be any number that you want. Step 8. Choose the availability of your package. You can choose to make your package available to all clients or to only certain clients. Step 9. Choose the booking options for your package. You can choose to allow clients to book your package online or over the phone. Step 10. Click on the Save button. Your package is now created. How to promote your package. Once you've created your package, you'll need to promote it to your clients. Here are a few tips. Add your package to your website. Promote your package on social media. Send out an email to your clients about your new package. Offer a discount for your package to new clients. Creating a package on Vagaro is a great way to increase your revenue, streamline your booking process, and differentiate yourself from your competitors. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.